Video has gone viral, supposedly showing Swati Maliwal in Kejriwal's residence. Now, the video, of course, shows an alleged spat that goes on between the CM's guards and Swati Maliwal. She can be heard hurling abuses at them, but also says that she will be calling the police and that the guards cannot touch her. That's the argument that goes on between the CM's guards as well as Swati Maliwal. And this video, of course, cannot be independently verified at this point, but has been doing the rounds on social media, is what we are learning. In this video, of course, Swati Maliwal can be heard speaking to the CM's guards in his residence, according to the details that we're tracking at this point. My colleague Ishika joins us with more details. Ishika, if you could take us through this video that has gone viral. It supposedly shows Swati Maliwal having a heated argument with Kejriwal's guards.
Well, yes, certainly. First of all, let us tell our viewers that, this video has certainly emerged from the other side. So there is no verification of this video that has been done. But certainly in this video, it is seen that Swati Maliwal is having a very heated, exchange, conversation with the security staff at the Chief Minister's residence while she's waiting on the sofa. In fact, all those guards are asking her to leave the Chief Minister's residence, but she says that she has in fact called the police and they will be coming anytime now. So this is what has come from this video that has just emerged from the other side. But if we talk about the police sources, well, the police sources said that this video is just a few seconds. Thus, this will be verified by the police, and then in fact, they are also going to check the attendance register, and also in fact, those staff who were present at that time, their mobiles are also going to be checked. This is what the Delhi police sources say on the video. But let me tell you that very important thing is that now Swati Maliwal herself in fact has responded to this video that is now going viral. And in fact, what she has said in her tweet is that, like every time, this time also this political hitman has started efforts to save himself by getting his people to tweet and playing videos without any context. He thinks he can save himself by committing the crime. Who makes a video of someone being beaten up? The truth will be revealed to everyone as soon as the CCTV footage of the house and the room is checked. Fall to whatever level you can. God is watching everything. One day everyone's truth will come out in front of the world. So this is the tweet of Swati Maliwal in response of that viral video, Aarti. In fact, certainly, that video coming from the other side, not verified as of yet. But the Delhi police sources say that, in fact, they are going to investigate this matter. They are going to check the CCTV footage. They are also going to check the mobiles of those staff that were present at that time. And also, if the CCTVs are there in the waiting room, even those CCTV footage will be scanned. So, Delhi police is still not verifying this. We'll have to wait and watch. But certainly multiple developments today. We saw how Swati Maliwal was in fact, at the court. She recorded her statement there. In the statement, in the FIR that is now in the public domain, she has also claimed of assault and very serious allegations she has put against Vibhav Kumar. But certainly police saying, that they will, proceed with the investigation. On the other hand, a team of the police also in fact went to Vibhav Kumar's residence, but they were not allowed inside. So they have returned from Vibhav Kumar's residence. They are trying to track him down. And as per the sources, Vibhav Kumar was last seen in Punjab. So police is trying to track him down. We'll have to wait and watch as to what more evidence, what more, in fact, what more details comes out of this investigation. Over to you.
Right, Ishika, now like you said, in Swati Maliwal's reaction to this particular video, she seems to suggest that it's been altered or taken out of context and then shared and made viral.
Well, yes, certainly, that is the response that we are getting from Swati Maliwal. In her tweet, she has in fact said that this is just another, tactic of, in fact, whom she indirectly has pointed out to Vibhav Kumar, that he is trying to save himself. And in fact, she has gone on to say that, this video has been taken out of context. In fact, she says that the truth will be revealed once, the CCTV footage of the house and the room is checked. So certainly, she is here in this tweet. She is claiming that, once the CCTV footage is checked by the Delhi police, the truth will be something that is opposite to this video. This is what she has claimed in her tweet. So we'll have to wait and watch, when the investigation proceeds, when the CCTV footages are scanned, are checked as to what details then come out of the incident that took place on that day. Over to you.
Right. Thank you, Shika, for joining us and bringing us those details as far as the new video that has emerged from Kejriwal's residence showing Swati Maliwal in a heated argument with his guard. Now she has in fact reacted to this particular video and said that this is a video that's being shared out of context just to save himself from the crime. She also says that the truth or the exact facts will be revealed after the CCTV footage of the house and the room is checked by the cops. Right. Now, what you're seeing on your screens, of course, is the viral video that it has now been shared, which supposedly shows Swati Maliwal in Kejriwal's residence. She's talking to the CM's guards there, and they can be heard having a heated argument in the conversation. Unfortunately, we cannot play out that audio for you because of the language used in the video. But of course, Swati Maliwal has reacted to this new video. She says it's been taken out of context just in order to save Biplab Kumar.
और तुम्हारी भी नौकरी खाऊंगी अगर मेरे को टच करा
तो सभी तो कह रहे हैं हम बड़ी रिक्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं।
मैंने अभी 112 पे कॉल कर दी है, लेट द पुलिस का, उसके बाद मैं बात करूँ।
तो पुलिस भी तो बाहर आएगी, वो यहाँ तक नहीं आएगी ना।
नहीं, कुछ नहीं होता, अब अंदर ही आएगी जो
होगा। प्लीज
मैडम बाहर चलो।
हेलो मैडम प्लीज
उठा के फेंक दो, उठा के फेंक।
हम रिक्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं आपसे। हम तो रिक्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं।
आज फेंक दो,
आप पढ़े लिखे लोग हैं, आपके साथ ऐसा थोड़ा करेंगे। प्लीज आप ऐसा ना बोलें।
Just because you are CCTV camera.
Right, that was part of the conversation that took place. Swati Maliwal, of course, saying that it was taken out of context. She is at this point at the Tees Hazari Court in New Delhi to record her statement before the court. Remember, an FIR was registered in connection with the assault on her yesterday after she filed a complaint with the police. Delhi CM Arvind Kejriwal's aide Bibhav Kumar has been named in the FIR as well. Now, after this particular video that has come out as well, Swati Maliwal says it is his attempt to save face.